सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? आया दोस्तों, आप बढ़िया होंगे एंड आगे बढ़िया रहें। तो आज के इस वीडियो में होने जा रहा है चैप्टर 1 न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट के हम क्वेश्चन आंसर कर रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई डू ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस नीड टू टेक फूड। तो इसमें पूछा गया है कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो होते हैं उनको फूड लेने की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है। तो इसमें आंसर है कि ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रिक्वायर्ड फूड टू सर्वाइव। इट्स गिव देम एनर्जी टू परफॉर्म वेरियस एक्टिविटीज। ऑल एक्टिविटीज सच एज प्लेइंग, रनिंग, वॉकिंग, स्टडिंग, etc. require energy. The various components present in our food such as carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals provide energy to our body. These are also important for growth and development of the body. So guys, second question ये है, distinguish between a parasite and a saprotroph. इसका आंसर है पैरासाइट। सबसे पहले गाइज, द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट grow on the body of another organization and derives nutrition from it is known as parasite. Example of parasites are kutta and orchids. Saprotroph, the organism that obtains nutrition from the dead or decaying organic matter is called saprotroph. Example of saprotrophs are fungi and some bacteria. Third question है, how would you test the presence of studs in leaves? Experiment to test the presence of studs in leaves. Take two healthy green potted plants of same type. Keep one potted plant in a dark room for 1 or 2 plants in order to remove all the studs from the leaves. Keep the other plants in sunlight. Now take one leaf from each potted plant and put a few drops of iodine solution on them. Then note down the observation. Plants kept in light and dark conditions. No blue black color will be observed on the leaves of the plant kept in the dark room. The indicates the absence of starch. Blue black color will be observed on the leaves of the plant keep in sunlight. The indicates the presence of starch. Question 4. Give a brief description of the process of synthesis of food in green plants. Photosynthesis is defined as the process in which the chlorophyll containing plant cells synthesize food in the form of carbohydrates using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of solar energy. Photosynthesis. Source of raw material required for photosynthesis. Water is taken in from the root of plants and it's transported to the leaves. Carbon dioxide from the air enters the leaf through the tiny pores called stomata and diffuses to the cell containing chlorophyll. Solar energy is used to break water in hydrogen and oxygen. This hydrogen is combined with carbon dioxide to form food for the plant, which is ultimately used by the animal as well. Thus, photosynthesis can be represented by the following equation: carbon dioxide plus water, sunlight upon chlorophyll, carbohydrates plus oxygen. Question 5th. Show with the help of a sketch that the plants are the ultimate source of food. Answer 5. Photosynthesis. Question 6. Filling the blanks. Green plants are called autotrophs since they synthesize their own food. The food synthesized by the plant is stored as starch. In photosynthesis, solar energy is captured by the pigment called chlorophyll. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Question 7th. A parasitic plants with yellow, slender and tubular stem. A plant that has both autotrophic and Heterotrophic mode of nutrition, the pores through which leaves exchange gases. Cascata, pitcher, plant, stomata. Take the correct answer. Umbrel is an example of. Answer is parasite, pitcher plant. Question 9. Match the item given in column with those in column second. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll leaf, nitrogen bacteria, umbellar parasite animals, heterotroph insects, pitcher plant. Mark true if the statement is true and F if it is false. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज रिलीज ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस। तो गाइस ये तो है बिल्कुल गलत। प्लांट्स विच सिंथेसिस देयर फूड देमसेल्व्स आर कॉल्ड सेप्रोट्रॉफ। गाइस ये भी फॉल्स है। नेक्स्ट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस इज नॉट अ प्रोटीन। ये ट्रू है बिल्कुल गाइस। सोलर एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू केमिकल एनर्जी ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस। ये भी ट्रू है। चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग। Which part of plant takes in carbon dioxide from air for synthesis? Answer is stomata. Question 12. Choose the correct option from the following. Plants take carbon dioxide from atmosphere mainly through the air. इसका आंसर है लीव। तो गाइस ये चैप्टर क्वेश्चन आंसर यहीं पे खत्म होते हैं। आई होप आपको ये क्वेश्चन आंसर अच्छे से समझ में आए होंगे। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। जब तक के लिए बाय बाय।